You are welcome back to Travel and Work Channel, a one-stop channel that brings you all the latest news and information about traveling, working, studying and living abroad. Please subscribe for up-to-date and consistent updates. Today, I will be talking about updates to UK immigration rules. The rule about child-dependent visa requirements and exciting opportunities for skilled workers, with changes that impact individuals and families seeking to make the UK their permanent home of residence. This update is due to the recent amendments made to UK immigration rules this September 2023. There are various visa categories, making it crucial for anyone planning to apply for a child-dependent visa and skilled visa. You want to pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit the like button, subscribe and don't forget to push the notification bell for more updates. Now, let's jump into the video. This September 2023, there have been significant changes and amendments were made to the UK immigration rules that affect a wide range of visa types. These updates are pertinent for those who want to apply for a child-dependent visa. It doesn't matter if you are on a study visa, talent visa, work visa, global or any other UK visa. I will provide you with the information. There are now tougher requirements due to changes in the immigration rules about child-dependent visas. These amendments have indeed affected almost all visa categories, and it has made it essential for anyone planning to bring their children to the UK to stay informed before taking a step to apply for a dependent visa for a child in the UK. It is pertinent to meet this list of requirements. It doesn't matter what type of UK visa you hold, you will need to adhere to these requirements. These requirements include the age of the child at the time of applying for a dependent visa. The child must be under the age of 18 on the date the application is being made and not be living an independent life. The child must be totally dependent financially on the parent, guardian, carer or sponsor. The child's accommodation and care must comply with appropriate UK laws. Now, I will talk about settlement applications. Take note. The dependent child must meet certain relationship requirements with a sponsoring parent. They must have permission on the same route, either as someone that is settled or has become a British citizen. There is a need for parental consent if the applicant is under the age of 18, on the date of application, and if that child is not applying as a dependent. The child must obtain written consent from both parents or one parent if that parent has sole responsibility for the applicant or is the applicant's legal carer, guardian or sponsor. There is a requirement for individuals planning to move to the UK on a long-term visa for more than 6 months to undergo a tuberculosis testing. This test depends on the applicant's country of origin. There is a list of countries subject to this requirement. Please check for a list of countries on the UK Governor website. A certificate must be issued by an approved medical practitioner and it must comply with specific criteria. Next, I will be talking about the Electronic Travel Authorization. This is called the ETA scheme. In October 2023, the UK government will be launching an Electronic Travel Authorization scheme. This is to enhance border security and will be implemented in phases. This will be based on individual nationality. It will apply to those visiting the UK or traveling through the UK, who do not require a visa for short stays and do not possess any other immigration status before traveling. Next, I will be talking about global talent. A little change has been made to this. More light has been shed to this route for applicants' clarity. This has affected professions in humanities, social science, engineering and medicine. Next, is the inclusion of prison service officers. There are skilled worker opportunities now open to individuals in the prison service sector. They can now apply for skilled worker visas. Next, I will discuss the Public Funds Amendment for immigrants. It is important to note that a list of public funds in the immigration rules has been amended. This includes new social security benefits in Scotland. It also clarifies existing benefits from the Department for Work and Pensions. DWP Department. It involves leveling up housing and communities. There is more understanding on what is considered public funds, and it is important to comply with visa conditions. These updates to UK immigration rules with its latest requirements and opportunities requires that every immigrant remains informed and up to date. If you are planning to bring your dependent children to the UK or exploring skilled worker visa options, it is important that you understand these changes, so that you will not have any problems during your application process. For detailed information, visit the official UK government website, gov.uk, or consult an immigration advisor or experts. As a parent or skilled worker, you want to make sure that you thread the right path to a successful application. Thanks for visiting this channel. Please share your thoughts on this. Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. I hope the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Bye for now.